Yeah.
Got it.
Ooh,
One
there they
thing
are.
we don't know is the conversion, and we don't.
We're not sure how that money works.
What up, what up?
Good morning. Do I look exhausted? Because I only got like 3.5 hours of sleep.
Yeah, somebody was stressing.
Stressing. Traveling gets me stressed. But we're here, so I'm not stressed anymore. Hi, girls.
Where are we?
So where are we? We just got to Seattle. This is actually our 4th time being together. While we've been together, like more than a decade long, right? Coming here, but this is our first time renting a car, so all the things we're seeing is quite exciting. And this is our first time with the girls, so very exciting for Zherr-Anne, especially because she knew that last year we went. We have a vlog for that. We can put the link up above, but we went last year on a parents trip, and Zay's been wanting to go to Seattle ever since. So we're actually doing 2 parts to this trip. This vlog will be part 1, and we'll be going to Vancouver from Seattle. But we're hungry, so first things first, we're gonna get breakfast. I made a reservation somewhere on the way to Vancouver, so we're about to get breakfast. These girls are grunting, probably because they're tired and hungry. Zay, you like this car? Wow, Zay is, how about you, Dad?
I love it.
Love this car.
Quick shout out to Silver Car. So it's our first time, like Zherr-Anne said, it's our first time renting a car. But this time we did get a car, and we got a Audi. So we ended up finding out the price is the same, and why not? Same price. And the great thing about Silver Car is we got off the shuttle. We had to take a shuttle, and there was somebody waiting for us right there, helping us with our bags, got us into the car, put some waters into the car. It was like first class service, which was amazing. Thank you, Silver Car.
We made it to the border.
Yes.
Should we stop and join all the other Asian families taking pictures at this arch back here? Because there's this peace arch. We're at the border of British Columbia and Washington State, and there's this peace arch where like 24 Asian people are just taking pictures. Your family's out there, babe.
Wow.
Or there's a line, so let's see how long it takes us across. It's Sunday afternoon, 2:06. I heard it could take like a couple minutes till like a while. So let's see. And the girls are still sleeping. It took half an hour to cross the border, just as I thought it would take. And now we're here. It says, welcome to British Columbia. Woo! Watch the street.
Oh.
God. I'm so worried this guy's not paying attention.
You know those videos where like people don't answer the question?
Yeah, it was you. Where are you from? Oh, I'm visiting. The guy said, where are you from? Oh, I'm actually not from here. Yeah, I know, in my head.
didn't
I'm
say
like,
that.
no, you said, oh, I'm actually just visiting. His question was, where are you from?
No, that
His question was, where are you from? And your answer was, I am just
California.
visiting. No, you said that after he said, where are you from? He said it again. He said it twice. I don't know. I always tell Jonathan, you're lucky you're really good at your job, because in like regular setting, you're not so good at talking to people, bruh. Whee! How exciting. It's kilometers now, okay?
Ooh, how does that work?
I don't know.
Ooh, I'm 115 kilometers. 71 miles per hour.
What's the thing?
I don't even know.
Oh God.
Just follow the pace as other people and we'll be fine.
We made it! Oh my god, I look like a ghost. I look like I'm like sick and I'm dead because I don't have any makeup. Wow, we made it to our Airbnb. Zay's excited to show you her room. First room tour. This is your room? Oh, it's really bright. There you go. Wow, I like this room. There's lots of windows. Look at all these views. Yeah. Wow.
This is so nice. You can see the water from here. You can see everything.
Here's the living room. TV. Yeah, you can put your blanket there. More views. Cute kitchen. And then over here is the room other bedroom we'll be staying in. Not good, not bad. And then the bathroom over there. Bathroom.
All right, guys, we are now in Stanley Park. First stop of our trip. Finally settled into the place, settled into our Airbnb, and now first stop is to check out these totem poles. Woo!
You know what these are yet?
Zaya, you know what these are?
Do you know what these are?
Have you seen these before? No?
You want to know what it's called? It's called a totem. They're called totem poles. Can you say totem pole?
Totem poles. Alright, so we're at a restaurant called Peaceful Restaurant, and Zherr-Anne really wanted to come here because of this beef roll here. I don't know, it's been on the Guy Fieri show, and I don't... Yeah.
It was on diners, drive-ins, and dives, and everywhere I looked up that had like affordable places you should eat in Vancouver and kind of kid-friendly was this place. They got 3-4 locations, but I really wanted to come and try these. I'll just do it. Ah! We are back from the park, dinner.
Yeah. We didn't spend that much time in the park. We are not, like...
It's cold and it's late and we're hungry.
Yeah.
We only have
we were hungry.
That's really the thing. But, oh.
You want to say hi?
Zay, tell them, so we went to the store. We were gonna just buy milk and water. So what did you buy?
You bought Pringles?
Yeah.
We got ketchup flavored Pringles, something that we don't have in the US, or not that I've seen in the
Like
US.
we saw my Mickey.
Goldfish.
Goldfish.
That's at Target all the time.
Yep.
And with
Also-
powder. And
Ketchup Lay's. Ketchup Lay's.
And that's for.
Oh, this is Canada Dry. So Canada Dry, we saw had
It's not even in
oops, sorry. Am I focused or?
Oh.
So Canada Dry has a pomegranate flavor, and we've never tried this. I've never seen it anywhere else but here. And the place that we went to was IGA. So I don't know what that stands for, but it's like
The grocery store.
their normal grocery store here. Zherr-Anne picked this one up. I don't
It
even know what
said
it
it's
is.
new. So I wanted to try Cadbury. It's an English chocolate. They have this in, I've seen it in the UK. Oh, but it is Canadian because it does say it's made in Toronto or based out of Toronto. But it's like new. So I'm like, sure, let's try it. It's a peanut butter cookie biscuit.
And to end it all, because our stomachs will probably be upset, is some LaCroix. LaCroix? I don't even know what's the right way, but it's probably tastes the same, but it has a nice Canadian
Maple leaf thing.
maple leaf. Yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, call it a night, and we'll pick up tomorrow morning.
They are at
Tim Hortons.
Tim Hortons and
We're eating.
donuts.
So we're told that when you come to Canada, shout out to our Instagram follower and friend. What's his handle? Agent Ocho. He was like, you definitely gotta go to Tim Hortons. So we're here, and we were planning on doing it regardless of him letting us know. But shout out to him for watching, subscribing, and being our friend, and following us on our food journey. So I got the girls some Timbits for you.
I want to check
It's basically like Dunkin' for Canada.
Can you hold it for me?
And the coffee's piping hot. Huh? You want me to hold it for you?
Yeah. No, you gotta hold it.
Chocolate? I like it. It's good. I got, Jonathan drinks his black, but mine, I just asked for cream and sugar.
And guys, I got more ketchup. Some more.
And this chick is just eating hash browns.
The one one.
So like McDonald's. So yeah.
Like
We're waiting for Jonathan to get more batteries for the camera in the car. But in the meantime, we made it to the Capilano Suspension Bridge. That's why we really came to Vancouver, honestly, because Jonathan saw this bridge on Instagram and he was like, I want to go there. Where is that? And I'm like, you know, it's actually in Vancouver, not far from Seattle, where we like to go. So that's really why we ended up here. We're about to check it out. He doesn't want me to go over there without him, so we're just waiting. I heard his cat sound. He's probably gonna be out of breath. I'm out of breath because I was trying to stop Zay from looking at the bridge. You excited, Leah? Oh, apparently this chick is excited. I don't know why you didn't want, she's as hard-headed as you know that, right?
Me?
Yeah.
I think she gets that from you.
Mm-hmm.
What is that, Zaya?
waterfall.
A waterfall?
Waterfall.
Is that what you see? Oh, look at that.
Only there.
What is that? She wants to go there.
Can we make sure that my shoes are tied? I have this really big fear that we're gonna be on the bridge and then, are they good? Yeah, tighten them up. I have this really big fear, let me just turn around, that we're gonna be on that bridge and I'm gonna need to tie my shoes, and I'm like 5'1", holding a baby that's half my size, and I won't be able to tie my shoes, and then everything's gonna fall out of my pockets and it's gonna be horrible. Just the type of things that I think about. Keep me up at night, you know? Mom life. But daddy tied in my shoes. We're all good. Yeah. Oops, sorry, Leah.
Okay, Zaya. Oh my god. Mom, where are you? Somebody's scared too. What do you think, Zaya? You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, this is what we're about to go do. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Horrible. It's not on my list.
Oh, babe, your shoes are untied.
No, my shoes are fine. They're tight. I'm gonna piss in my pants. I should be wearing them.
Ooh. Whoa, look there.
No, this is too much.
It looks like in my movie.
This is a lot for me, guys. I don't
It
know.
looks like my
This is too much.
movie.
This is like, what
Like
movie?
What movie?
My movie. The not the freaking dragon.
Oh.
Has a little baby. And a family.
Mom, stop. Are you okay?
I'm literally not enjoying this.
Whoa.
Whoa. Are you enjoying this? Do you like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we like
Only
it.
because she's being held. I wish I was being held.
Oh god. Oh. Should we rock it more?
No.
Why?
I can't.
Oh,
Not even looking away.
oh goodness. Alright, we're in the middle now. Time to rock.
I'm gonna throw up now. Real life.
Oh god.
Real life.
Okay.
You were falling down.
Okay. And this is what we see when we look down.
Oh, okay, come on.
Yes. Oh god. How you doing, Mom?
Hurry up. I'm trying to get across. There's no other way around this. I checked them.
Seriously?
Yeah. Like you have to cross the whole thing.
Oh great.
According to the map. So I have to do this again.
Yes. We're almost there, Mom. You crossed
I'm pretending this is that Wilderness Explorer path.
at Disneyland? Okay, you want to walk now, Zaya?
No.
You don't want to walk? How come?
I don't want to walk on the hill. It's gonna be funny.
Ooh.
Can I walk now?
Whoa.
Whoa, Zherr-Anne.
Look at Zaya. She overcame her fears. Alright, so these beaver balls are basically like pancakes, but
Or like little waffles.
yeah, little waffles. It's like a breakfast item, but definitely it's like built-in maple
No,
syrup.
she covered them in maple
Did she?
syrup.
Okay, I
We're
didn't see
in
it.
Canada, right? We
Yeah.
gotta have some pure maple syrup.
Mm-hmm.
So we decided we're gonna try this here. We're still at the suspension bridge. It's a little snack place.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
Really good. The line got super long.
We got here ready.
They got backed up after we were waiting, and the wait was like 10 minutes for a new batch of these. So popular. We are full, and I'm happy again. We had lunch.
We are now on Granville Island, and we are in the kids.
That's right.
Play
Kids
store?
market.
Kids market.
So we probed Zay. You're gonna be good. You're gonna give us 10 million kisses, and she did. Check. We're gonna have lunch, and she's gonna finish her food, which she did. Check. We're gonna walk around a little, which we did. We picked up a little snack that we'll show you guys that we heard is really good to get here. Check. And then we said we'll go to the kids market. So we're here.
And what's cute, did you see that door that they have here?
Oh,
They have a
Zay!
kids door.
I didn't see that. Zay, did you see this little door? Okay, later when we leave. There's like a cute little door for the kids. It's like a whole building made just for children. Zay's already playing with, we just walked in and she's playing with toys already. Look at Leah. Whoa! Whoa!
It is freezing, guys. So it's I don't even know. My watch doesn't tell me how cold it is out here, but it's pretty cold. You can see the snow on the mountains over the water. But we are in Gas Town here, and basically Zherr-Anne really wanted to see was the steam clock. I don't know. Let's see if we can focus on that. There goes the steam clock. And it's about to turn 6 o'clock in 3 minutes, so I overheard some tourist guide saying that the clock isn't always, you know, on time, so it can be kind of all over the place. So hopefully in 3 minutes it'll go off and we get to see the show, because Zherr-Anne really wanted to see it, and we are trying to get in and get warm. So if you guys watched this far, please be sure to give us a like, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time in Seattle. So see you guys next time. Bye.